Sorry? Yeah, you can speak to me. Huh? No, I'll stay here. I'll stay here. She said that she'd take me to court, so that's fine. I don't feel safe.
You're the owner of the property? Miss?
Yes, I am.
Yeah, you rent this place to this?
No, I didn't. His uncle did.
This what?
His uncle. And his uncle has gone back to England and left me with this mess.
So
His uncle was, I had a court order, court protection against him. A court order. I've got court protection against his...
If you don't realize now, you're not speaking English so clearly and you're all the way over there. You cannot come outside and talk to me.
Hold on. So ridiculous. Yeah?
Good night, miss.
Yeah, good night, sir.
Constable, you have the telephone station.
Yeah, good night.
The many man in sir? Yes, this evening and you put it out.
Say again.
Here?
Yeah.
Came to the station and reported a matter to the police.
Right.
And the report was that he's paying rent over here.
No, he's not paying rent.
Mister, let me finish the man. He's paying rent over here. And you have padlocked the gate, refusing him entry to the property. Yeah? So I'm here now to hear your side of the story.
Right.
And what is your side of the story?
I know what your laws say, but I have to go with my safety. Nobody seems to be listening to me. Now, I came to the station and said I don't feel safe with him. Number one, it was his uncle that brought him here, not me. His uncle...
Another check. His uncle is part owner of the house?
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
So, his uncle now, and that all came by... it's a very long story, I won't go into it. He got aggressive with me, constable, and threatening to destroy me and everything. The court case was July the 10th. Yeah. And the judge basically gave me 3 years protection.
3 years protection?
Yeah, that was the maximum that I
what
could.
What the protection includes? You have the court order with you? You have any documentation?
Yeah.
And what it entails?
So basically it was like against violence and things, because he was threatening behaviour and everything.
Did he state any distance?
Did it say to distance?
If how far him to steer from you?
Well, he's 4,000 miles away, so...
4,000 miles?
Yeah.
You have that document on him?
Well, he's 4,000 miles away because he's back in the UK.
Against his uncle?
Yes. So it was his uncle that brought him here. Do you get me?
Yeah, but he's still a owner of the property.
Who is?
His uncle is still part owner of the property.
No, I'm not saying that he...
Though he's not here, he's...
Yeah, but when it comes to my safety, because there was the one night when he did try... When he tried to come in the house, I mean, because I do stand up for my rights and whatever, and I told him, go home. You're trying to come in the... Let me talk. And then... yeah, you can do what you want and beat up everyone, but it's not that. You see, I've had 20 years experience working with people with mental health, and if there's a psychosis, okay, you said 30 days notice. That's all well and good. Let's say the beating then. The beating. So he's beating up his wife, which he was beating his wife before. She's had to run and leave him with the 2 kids.
The wife left?
The wife had to run and leave the 2 kids.
You made a report against him?
Yes, and you came here. And then the police... different officers. So you came... the officers came in. You know what they did? They took her to one side and said, leave this man. Leave him. Because he's no good. So I don't...
He has ever been violent against you?
It's not... It's the intimidation. Do you get me?
So you live on different side of the house from me? You stay on different side?
He's up there.
And where are you? At the front?
I'm here. But the point is...
And you go out and wait for trouble you?
You don't understand how this thing works. The point is, If somebody's got a psychotic disorder,
So you have a psychotic miss.
no, the thing is, it's just like his uncle.
Yeah,
It's in the family.
he's
No,
violent.
but I'm
Miss,
saying,
hold on, miss. Has he been violent to you? I'm asking you, have he been violent to you?
verbally aggressive. It's passive aggressive. Yes.
See,
Passive. Yeah. When the social worker came, look here. When the social worker came and he was calling me a witch. Yeah, okay.
Not him, you know.
Okay. So when he
If
starts.
he's disturbing him, I can tell him to move aside.
Right,
and stop.
so what I'm saying is when he starts saying you're a mad woman, you're a witch, kupan yutu, and started saying, me no even one day, me no one day in this
You ever
place.
came to the station and report on matter
Yes, but they didn't want to know. They didn't want to know.
Have you ever threatened your life?
Constable, you
I'm
know,
asking him,
what I'm saying
No,
is,
I'm asking him, has he ever threatened your life?
I feel threatened.
You feel threatened?
I do feel threatened. Where I do feel threatened. So I feel uncomfortable in my house, yeah? So you're going to have to just climb the gate, because even when I went to court and she was saying you have to give him a key, you know
Miss,
yeah?
alright, you see, if, let me explain something. You see, if the other owner allow him to stay or rent in the house,
He's not here though. He wanted him out.
You know what I'm saying? You guys live in two different houses. So you closing the gate on him. You are depriving from reaching to feed him.
It's not his house.
Whether or not it is
I
uncle-
did not rent. Yeah, but I'm not with the uncle. I know what you're saying. Please take me to court.
Yeah.
Please just
No,
serve.
he can't take it to court and he have to take
Well,
it.
take me to court.
But listen to me, I said, listen to the sense that I'm trying to make. You're living in this house. Him live in another house up there. Whether you close the gate or not and him climb over and still go there up in house. So if you're afraid of your life, him now come at your house. Where am I going to even if in jet?
different house.
Two different houses I live in. Out same house. Then we-
I don't want you on the land, uncle. And because you haven't got nowhere to go, you and your whole family are parasites. That's what you are. Your grandmother not have nowhere. Your uncle come. Everybody wants to just take whatever.
Mom, we have to look for
It's unfair.
You have two kids, you know.
I know, and that's what he's been using against me. Not even in Madaki. The mom run because she's afraid of her life.
Yeah, I understand that.
You don't. You don't know what I'm having to go. You don't. I have to make it as uncomfortable and awkward for him as it feels for me, Constable. You don't understand.
Miss, hold on a second. Hold on a second, miss. You're at point A and he's at point B. How are you uncomfortable? I'm asking you, because it's not in the same building. So how are
It
you
doesn't matter about that. If you had any understanding about a female that, you know, that I ain't even going to say who it was that said, but very, very reliable.
Miss, but you can't listen to rumors. now.
Well,
So hearsay.
a
That is hearsay
rumour
now.
about him
That is
beating,
hearsay now, that is hearsay.
but a rumour about him beating his wife. That's not a rumour.
You see that?
Yeah, yes, it
Must
is.
be
I
this
tell
was
you.
miss is not violent against you, miss. That is normal.
But
husband
no,
and wife,
no, it's not
whatever.
normal. He's got a violent nature.
People were together in a confrontation. You as the outsider can
You know, you people just really don't understand. And then, you know, I look at that poor woman, that 64-year-old, and you with the 37-year-old. The whole family was involved with that. I'm absolutely, even the mother, his grandmother, called me. She said, you know, say, well, if our people are got dead this area, why are you telling me that? Why are you telling me that?
No, but you should make a complaint against the grandmother.
No, you're not at work. You don't feed your kids. You don't work.
Sir, no, but you're not, she's not listening. So nobody's saying this, but that's-
You don't. Why don't you go and get a job?
This is the propaganda she has put for me.
No, because you're not work.
Paint me a certain way.
Is that?
A certain way.
Oh, it is.
Have her
What about your wife?
understand?
What about your own uncle? Your uncle wanted you out?
Tell her all of the garbage and tell her about
This is how he was with her, and I believed you at one point.
confess to, oh, and you're sorry about gossiping.
Yeah.
Because gossiping can mash up people, this and people that. I know it's me.
You are evil.
You don't need to have to be.
You're evil. You're evil, and I don't trust evil people. I don't trust them because I have worked too
No,
long.
but look at it now. If you're talking about evil, look at the most ungrateful.
Why was you?
My mother helped you at the US.
Oh, here we go.
She took out a big loan.
Because your uncle wanted to thief JPS and the police got paid off and JPS got paid off by nearly $500,000. Yeah.
Look at it, you had no year to go, no one to go to, and I see it. Stop the play now. You just said, be ungrateful and wicked. It was my mother who also helped you.
I'm a mad woman. Why are you here with a witch and a mad woman? Why are you here?
Stop the play now, man. You don't want
Why are you here?
what I'm saying. It's not to be disrespectful or to be confrontational.
Give him a time limit.
I've given him from November.
It's not to be confrontational or disrespectful.
From November, I didn't know I had to go through your route, but I don't. He's not paying no rent. Where's the money to pay? Where's the money to pay for bailiff? Where's the money to pay for that? There's no support for me, so I'm having to like take my life potentially, because if he has a psychotic episode, which he does, that's what he did with his. You did that with your wife said, if you put your hand on me again, and you was holding her down there, and you know she don't want to set you a whole load down, and
That's madness.
yeah, because you do. You're ever so good with your words, and I believed you at one time. I don't feel safe with your machete down there.
It told them we're going to take this to the board.
There you go.
Because the police,
They're limited.
we
They can't make me.
at the state time.
We have come out, but I'm saying, while we are all of the things they come up, and we are
Yeah, but I told you from November. I said I'd give you 3 months.
Who do you tell me? Listen, I have it on no WhatsApp, I'm not listening to none of your messages.
I left the note on there, and I've took it. Such a liar.
So why
Hold on. No, just stop it there, come on. You know, conversation everywhere where you are talking with the lady for. Anyway, miss,
Yes, my dear.
seems as you would have go up court. We are going to take a statement from the gentleman here. And then
Yeah, take it to
the
court.
next time we see how we have a send the matter before the court.
Yeah,
So we have a summon to.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Honestly, yes. You see, even with his uncle, the judge was really pissed with him. You know what?
But
Look,
the judge, you see, you're not understanding the issue. You can't use the uncle.
this one worse than the uncle.
The uncle is not going to be used as anything in the court. This is a totally different matter, so you're not going to use anything. So the uncle has nothing to do with this. So we have to make the matter go before the court. See, as that you want.
Yeah. And in the meantime, he's still got access to there, so.
You actually refuse him access.
No, you're getting over the fence. Are your cousins now? None of your family not talk to you.
Good night, miss.
Good night.
I want it.
Okay, and you. And you. So have I got the thing to serve? You're going to serve it me now? Oh, right. You know, I've got nobody on my side except God. It's God I have to trust
we don't hear for true side.
in this. I know, but I gave him 3 months.
If it did come to the station and go through the right process, you have to come out now.
But I'm not Jamaican, so I don't know.
But you have to ask questions.
Well, everybody was saying when the 3 months come, just go to the police and then ask for their assistance. But and then you have to like go and get bailiff. I don't have that money because I'm not getting no rent.
Bail,
Bailiff.
it's like you pay one bail, it's like probably $6,000 to serve.
No, that's to serve the paper, but if he doesn't come out, which he won't.
No, man, it I'll go to court. I'll go to court, you don't have to pay no more money. Only thing, you might go get a summons and you have to go to court. You see, like, how him a go
Yeah,
make a report now?
yeah.
All you'd have to do, you'd have come. The bailiff would have write up a form, serve it to him, and you pay the bailiff to serve it. You don't know how much the bailiff costs. Probably $5,000 or
No, that's not the bailiff, that's the processing officer. But then they said the bailiff can take another big amount of time.
No, it can't.
Really? No, I will open it when you're going. Just like I said, don't charge your phone. Of course I'll open the gate to let you out. Oh, yes it is. You've made it this way. Please go and make a statement and take me to court. Take me to court. Take me to court. Take me to court. Yeah, so he's stopped climbing over the gate. Finally feels embarrassed because he's mashed down my fence and found like a side way to go and walk in. Right here. So he bends down my fence to go and step onto his little stone down there. But I ain't playing with this man. I just ain't playing. Yeah, so this man climbing, well, breaking down my my fencing so he can climb out and climb in. Well, excuse me, the whole reason for fencing is so that nobody can come in, no trespassers. And that's a trespasser because his date has gone on the 1st of February. So I put me another piece of barbed wire across. So try climbing that and, you know, making him convenient. No, I'm not making anything convenient for him. So you're from where? You're from, what's your title again?
I'm a validator, process server. Serve papers, documents. I said documents, and I'm a validator and I'm a police officer.
Okay. So ex-police officer people, and he serves notices and valuations and everything. So
Process server.
process server.
Yeah,
Okay. So I stand corrected. Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Morning, sir. My name is Winston Gray. I'm a validator and also a process server. Serve documents. This lady, Miss.
Where's it supposed to be on Denise Daily?
Denise.
Daily, where's it supposed to put it here?
Oh, yeah.
Because that was the thing. Yeah. So we didn't know, was it supposed to go here?
Yeah.
Let me put it there then.
Denise.
Denise Daily. Oh, yes, it is, yeah. D-A-L-E-Y. D-E-N-I-S-E.
Mm-hmm.
So it's D-E-N-I-S-E, yeah?
Mm. Eh?
I-S-E. No, that's fine. D-E-N-I-S-E.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's call his mum.
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Yeah, I have a document here from Miss Daly. To serve anew. It says from the 5th of February, she's in need of the premises, the house to expansion and repair. Right? And there is a non-payment of rent on your behalf.
Run inside, go back inside.
I'm here to serve a notice. Because a notice, I knew that she needed the premises to renovate and stuff like that.
No problem.
Okay. There is a notice. Yeah, so I'm gonna sign this one and give it to her that on today the 9th of February.
Yes.
I serve a paper on you on behalf of Mr. Daly. Failing to comply.
So what the time frame?
The time frame.
This is when it is now, right?
Yes, today it is you. So
He's had three months. You've already had 3 months. You should be out by tomorrow if it's left up to me.
No, listen.
But I know.
You, when this paper is served, and you get 3 months.
How me get 3 months?
No, huh?
How me get 3 months?
No, she give you 3 months
How?
to leave.
When?
From November.
From now,
Not from now. You ain't having 3 months from now.
no, you have, when you serve the paper,
Yeah.
that's where it started.
Okay.
It started from when the paper is being served.
Yeah. So what's the
But you
minimum?
give him a verbal notice.
Or written doesn't count.
This is a written one, but you give him a verbal one before.
Yeah. No, I gave him a written one.
You give him a written one?
Yeah, but it wasn't done this way.
Oh.
There's no official notice.
Yeah, okay, this one's official.
Official notice before.
There was an official one.
You are getting an
Inside.
official notice now. Right? And it's,
We're supposed to leave by next weekend, so you know?
so it's for you
Police
to,
can understand that we're supposed to leave by what? Maybe next week, by the next weekend. Maximum.
right.
And then like say,
That is between you and she. You understand? I'm only here to serve the people and to let you know what
yes,
is
like
required
from
of
now,
you.
but based on the law, from now, if you're just serving the notice.
Yes.
And if it's a
It
monthly
starts from
rent-
now.
If it's a monthly renting, the notice would have constituted up to 30 days. As I'm saying, no, we're supposed to leave by probably next, sometime in the next week.
Okay then. All right.
But as me I say, legally, the notice if you are serving now, the constitute it's supposed to be up to 30 days.
Yeah, but 30 days. Yes, I know that. Right?
But so she
From
can't
today,
give me 3
tonight.
months, because I never know nothing until recent.
What
Yeah,
a
but
lie.
if you get
So how you give me that? How you give me that? How you gave it to me?
You're on camera, going on YouTube.
How you gave it to me?
Why are you such a liar?
But how, explain now how you gave it to me.
I've taken a photograph and put it on the seat where you used to put your dirty
You put
bottom.
it on the seat and I took it up.
Yes, you did.
I took it up.
I've been telling you.
liar.
Oh, listen, you're going.
Nobody
Hallelujah,
go-
people, it's
nobody go-
going. You need me.
I need you.
Yes, of course you do. You're calling me witch. You're calling me mad woman.
Back to the point.
Mad woman, witch, but you want there with me, there. So if me a mad woman, what you want there for?
Focus on the point.
Narcissist.
Focus on the point, because all of that not necessary. 'Cause that argument.
What do you mean? It's not necessary.
I
I you say you did land and no blessing and me want me not want to stay
What's
here.
your name again?
Winston Gray.
Winston Graham. I remember saying me not give you no right to put nothing on no, Alright. You know say you're liable to be sued if you put my image
Whatever.
Anywhere where me not constitute it.
Whatever.
Okay, cool. As long as I know that.
Whatever.
Alright. And once me say that any of me can take that.
Whatever.
You're gonna learn the hard way. But what
Like
can I say
yourself. It's you the one that's homeless.
is- Okay.
Of course you're homeless. I've got a tent though. I did promise that you could, Mum, that you could have a tent.
If you want to donate it, no problem. I appreciate it. What I'm saying, I don't have no hard feelings, I know here towards nobody. I'm saying, they say 3 months. I don't know what that 3 months.
Why are you
First
lying?
thing-
You're under the... God's hearing, you know.
Alright, listen.
God's hearing.
Listen, first thing. However you say you gave it to me, me never see nothing.
God is hearing you.
However you say you gave it
It's
to
alright,
me.
it doesn't matter what I say,
Don't
what God
overtalk-
says.
Don't overtalk on me, I say. If you say you do it, I may explain.
You're getting your 30 days now, so what more do you want?
No, I'm saying you said 3 months, so, and you're overtime, that means you're also trying to negate what I'm saying. So you may not have done what you said you have done. Because if you said you done it, why you not listening to me? I said, I never hear, I never see no notice, I never took up any notice. Anything you said me on phone, I never look at it. So wherever, nothing when you do to on phone,
This is why I can't have these demons around me. They've got to go.
So,
Demons.
That is your perception.
Mm.
And anybody smart, I know
Yeah,
say your perception.
looking at my bag, you see the stamp.
Okay. Your perception them kind of warped, so.
Yeah.
But as I say,
Alright, Mr. David. You're not here. I'm not here to.
back and forth.
Yeah, we just serve the people, and
Do your job.
I hope you and she might come to some.
Yeah, me and I have no problem. All the problem are between she and I. So me and I don't fight.
Well, she served this paper
Yeah.
to guarantee that, you know,
So
she,
this is coming from
It's she. It's stamped by a justice like it. If you know,
Okay, so you are the
this
justice.
is official. No man, I'm not the justice of the peace.
Okay.
Beverly Campbell, is the justice like me. And here is a stamp right at the corner here.
Yes, sir.
That says the justice of the peace stamp. So this paper now, that's my signature, and I'm gonna stamp this to make it official that you have gotten the paper. The notice.
So this is what?
This is just your part of notice.
Sir, so don't you say it look like it needs...
No, you don't need that. You no need that. For her need to verify that it was served.
Okay.
So see her right here, served personally by me on such a date. And
That's a whose copy? That's a whose copy?
hers.
Okay, so why am I copying about it?
No, you don't have to have that.
So
As long as you receive it, you don't have to have it.
So the
This is to verify that
So
it
the
was served officially and you got it on the 9th day of February.
So where the length? Let's see.
The length of time? You see?
Did I put it on it?
No, I couldn't, because listen now, she would have, the justice of the peace would have put it.
Okay.
Today, the 5th, from the 5th to the 5th of the next, the 5th of this month to the, would be 30 days, right? The 5th of February to the 5th of March
You're
would be
right.
30 days.
So maybe just write the 5th of March, you've got to vacate, so that, because they'll try every little loophole, these will. But they don't give up. That's why I have to break down my fence and go and climb over. And call police. But me have to open gate. Me not have to open no gate. My gate. My lock.
You never been at the box now. As I say, you want to do it, whatever.
Yeah, but so,
Officially, you do it now, so me never know what you say, do argue.
listen.
Yeah. You have until, you know, the 30 days will be on the 5th of March. Good? Good, so. You don't need, so. Good.
Who gone?
This is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Gray. Oh, thank you so much. You're doing a wonderful job.
I'm coming from way over by Ashton. Ashton.
Leave that alone, leave that alone.
Classes broke off.
Leave that alone.
Thank you, God.
Come.
Glass, anytime something drop, you know, it's like the...
Both sides.
Yeah. Like the photograph with your uncle when he dropped down and broke. The marriage over. I even said the marriage over and it done, you know. And same way that's a confirmation. So the glass broke. Thank you.
You alright? You comfortable?
Good man, everything good.
Respect my boss.
Let me know if you want the tent. I'm not really that hard.
I need to find the stove and the
No. You ain't got no cylinder. What cylinder? You not give me no cylinder. No, you didn't. No, I'm not arguing. No. I'm giving you a tent. You haven't paid your rent. You're not paying no rent. No, you didn't give me a cylinder. Where's the receipt? You never give me one, you lie. No. Don't you give me cylinder. You never give me no cylinder. Anybody see you give me cylinder? Me no cylinder for you. Me I give you one tent. I'm giving you a tent. You haven't got no cylinder for you. Let me give you your money, mister. Sorry.